Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Zgo Floating Shelves is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home decor, offering a sleek, modern solution for displaying your favorite items without the visual clutter of traditional shelving. These shelves are designed to seamlessly blend into any room, providing an illusion of your items floating in mid-air, which can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living space, bedroom, or even kitchen. Number 5. AMADA Home Furnishing Bathroom Shelves with Towel Bar. Introducing our versatile shelving unit, perfect for any room in your home. Use it to display your favorite items or keep essentials organized. Crafted from durable paulownia wood with a robust metal bracket, this unit can support up to 22 pounds. It's designed to hold your belongings securely. Customize your storage with the detachable towel bar. Hang towels, kitchenware, or other items as needed, or remove it if you prefer. Keep your items safe with the 3-sided protective guard. It prevents accidental drops, ensuring your displayed items stay in place. Setting up your new shelves is a breeze. Simply unfold the bracket, attach the board and towel bar, and mount it on your wall. Add both style and functionality to your living room, bathroom, or kitchen. These shelves help you organize your space beautifully. What we like? This shelf offers a detachable towel bar, perfect for hanging towels or kitchenware. It also features a 3-sided guard to keep your items secure. If you're looking for versatile storage with added convenience, especially in a bathroom or kitchen, this is a great choice. What people say. This floating shelf with towel bar is both practical and stylish. It adds extra storage without taking up floor space, which is perfect for smaller bathrooms. It was easy to install and feels sturdy on the wall. The design is clean and modern, and it really pulls the look of the bathroom together. The shelves are gorgeous and the towel rack is sturdy. Number 4. BAMEOS Floating Shelf L24XW6 Black. Experience a clean, modern look with our concealed support design. Installation is a breeze, with all parts and instructions included, allowing you to complete setup in as little as 15 minutes. Enhance any room with its minimalist design and sleek black finish. This shelf complements any decor, whether you're displaying cherished items or organizing essentials. Measuring 5.7 by 23.6 by 1.5 inches, it's perfect for your living room, bathroom, or study. Add style and storage wherever you need it most. The matte, lightly textured surface makes maintenance simple. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. Crafted from durable medium-density fiberboard, this shelf offers a stable structure and a secure fixing screw. It reliably holds up to 22 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. What we like? With its minimalist design and concealed support, this shelf offers a clean, modern look. It's also very easy to wipe clean. If you appreciate a sleek aesthetic and simple maintenance, this shelf will blend seamlessly into any room. What people say. Great-looking shelves without distracting brackets. Very quick and easy assembly. Well-made, easy to install. Supplied extra installation hardware. Perfect for my perfume bottles. Looks great, easy to install and sturdy. Number 3. SONGMICS White Floating Shelves, set of 3. Introducing our stylish white floating shelves. Easily install them in any arrangement to enhance your space and keep your essentials organized. Crafted from premium MDF, these shelves offer lasting durability. Each one can confidently support up to 22 pounds, providing strong and reliable storage. The raised front edge is designed to prevent items from slipping. You can display your cherished photo frames and trinkets with complete peace of mind. We've included screw covers to ensure a clean and seamless look. This way, the decorative appeal of your walls remains uncompromised. Setting them up is incredibly simple. Just drill, mount with the included screws, and follow the clear instructions for a quick and easy installation. What we like? This set comes with 3 shelves, offering ample display space. A front edge prevents items from slipping, and included screw covers ensure a neat finish. If you need multiple shelves for displaying photos and trinkets and value a clean, finished look, this set is ideal. What people say. Very sturdy and very easy to install. Easy to hang, and very sturdy. They are versatile, storage capacity is great and was perfect for my collection of 12 teapots. Nice sturdy wood, very attractive. Well built, solid shelves. Super easy installation. Number 2. VASAGLE Vintage Floating Wall Shelf ULWS 24BX. Dust off your beloved family photos and give them a place to shine. This floating shelf is 15.7 inches long and can hold up to 22 pounds, perfect for displaying your favorite items. This rustic brown shelf isn't just for holding decorations, it's a decoration itself. It's sure to catch eyes wherever you place it, from your living room to your kitchen. We know you don't want the hassle of a complicated setup. This shelf comes with wall anchors suitable for various wall types, making installation a breeze. If convenience could have a middle name, it would be ours. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you can have this shelf set up in no time. What you get is a beautiful wooden shelf with all the necessary hardware. Turn your blank walls into an attractive display with this easy-to-use floating shelf. What we like. This shelf boasts an eye-catching rustic design that doubles as decor. Assembly is made simple with numbered parts and clear instructions. If you're looking to add a touch of vintage charm to your space and want a hassle-free setup, this shelf is a fantastic option. What people say. Easy install, cute, pretty sturdy. This is a very nice shelf and a breeze to install. There are many holes in the included bracket which can be used to place the anchors and screws. Once the bracket is screwed in and the shelf slid over it, it's nice and solid. Some small screws are included which will ensure the shelf won't move away from the wall. I bought this shelf to hold some TV accessories. It's nice and deep and just the right width. It's easy to install. Number 1. BAOBAB Workshop Wood Floating Shelves. Introducing our beautiful floating shelves, handcrafted from 100% solid pine. They are finished in a warm walnut tone, highlighting the natural grain for a clean farmhouse look. These shelves bring rustic charm and functional storage to any room. Their deep design and warm walnut finish complement your kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or living space. Get set up in no time with the included hardware and guide. This set comes with hidden mounting hardware and a step-by-step installation manual and video. Each shelf features hidden stainless steel brackets made from solid metal. This provides stable support suitable for both drywall and wood studs. These versatile shelves are perfect for displaying essentials and decor. Use them in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room for a touch of elegance. What we like. Crafted from 100% solid pine with a warm walnut finish, these shelves offer a beautiful farmhouse aesthetic. They feature hidden stainless steel brackets for a clean, floating appearance. If you love natural wood and a rustic farmhouse style, these shelves will bring charm and functional storage to your home. What people say. The shelves themselves are incredibly well made, solid wood, rich color, the dark walnut is gorgeous, and smooth, flawless finishes. You can tell real craftsmanship went into these. These shelves instantly elevated the look of my room. They're sturdy, stylish, and have that perfect rustic charm. Solid wood really makes a difference. The grain and finish give the whole room an upgraded, custom feel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.